Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to use a hundreds chart to add tens and ones. So if you need a hundreds chart, I am going to link the hundreds chart there for you to use if you need it, like a full page one, okay? So let's look at the solve and share. Okay, so it says use a hundreds chart to find these sums, okay? So let's remember that when we're adding that on the hundreds chart and you're adding tens, we always jump down one. So it says 8 plus 40, okay? Remember, I'm going to use this in red, okay? I always circle the number we start at, and now we're adding 40. So we have to count by tens as we go down. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'm going to circle the number we landed on. 48. There's your answer. Okay. Now for the next one, I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to go with green. So 30 plus 40. So first I'm going to find 30, circle it. And now I'm going to jump down. Every time I jump down, I'm going to add a 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. So my answer is 70. Okay. So now I know this one's a little bit interesting, right? It says 80 plus 12, but I'm going to start at 12 and count to 80 because I think that might be a little bit easier for me. You can count along with me. So we're going to find 12. Okay, so now we just only have to go down and count to 80. So ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There we go. It's 92. Great job. Now remember, if you're using this on your hundreds chart and you printed it out, use pencil so that you can erase any of your work and do it lightly, or you can hold your finger at the top and then count down, and where your finger lands, that will be your answer, okay? Rather than writing. Either way works. Okay, let's watch our video.
You can use a hundred chart to add tens and ones. What numbers are shown on this part of the hundred chart? The numbers 1 through 30 are shown. How many numbers are in each row?
So how many are in each row? Remember, this is a row, okay? Going across is a row. So how many numbers are in a row? 10.
There are 10 numbers in each row. Find 4 plus 23. Start on the larger number, 23. 23 has 2 tens, so 23 is 2 rows down on this chart. Why is 23 2 rows below 3?
Okay, because it's in the 3 is the ones.
23 has 2 more tens than 3. Since each row has 10 numbers, you can move down 2 rows from 3 to get to 23. What do you do to add 4 to 23 on this chart?
So which way do I have to move? This way, or this way? We're adding 4 ones. We're going to move this way. That's right.
You move 1 column to the right for each one that you are adding.
Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job.
Add the ones. For every one you add, move right 1 column. 4 is 4 ones. Move right 4 columns. 23 plus 4 equals 27. So 4 plus 23 equals 27. Now you know how to use a 100 chart to add tens and ones. Great job!
All right. So how could you use a hundreds chart to find the sum of 6 and 50? So I'm going to write that out for you. Okay, so 50 plus 6. It is very similar to what they just did in the video. Okay, you'll start at 50 and then we're going to slide and move over 6 times and you will get 56. Okay, try it out on your hundreds chart. All right, let's do this one together. Okay, this is awesome. So they should give you the snapshot of the hundreds chart that you'll be using. Again, remember, write carefully if you're using it, or use your fingers, okay? So 2 plus 12. Remember, they always tell us to work at the bigger number first, and it's important to do that, okay? So here's 12, and we're adding 2. 1, 2. The answer is 14. Okay. 5 plus 40. Change my color. Let's start at the bigger number, which is 40. Okay. Now we have to go to the right, but this ends. So we're going to come down to the start at the next row. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your answer is 45. 5. Okay. 13 plus 20. All right, so this is a little tricky. We're going to start at 20, but now we're adding 13. So we can jump down for 10, right? This is 10, then count on 11, 12, and 13. So our answer is 33. All right. 10 plus 31. Let's use blue. Okay. So 31, here it is. It's plus 10. That's one jump down. Our answer is 41. Okay. And then 32 plus 6. Let me get a new color. We can use black. 32, and then we're just adding 6 ones, so we just have to go across 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 38. All right. Give this a try. The interactive practice buddy, the quick check, and your homework page. Again, I will link the hundreds chart if you need your own to print out. All right, great job.